How to buy a product on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you can browse through different products and view it. So here, select the product that you want to buy. So here I'm tapping on one. So now we in this product detail page. Here you'll be able to find every details about this product, and here on the bottom, there's a section called Buy It Now. Simply tap on Buy It Now. So now we're in this checkout page. Here, select the address or the shipping address. So here I'm tapping on one. And now you can easily add your payment methods and proceed to checkout. So here, select the account with which you want to pay, and you can easily buy the product at last. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.